Hello student, welcome back. Today I am going to discuss about the web application. This is the unit B, okay, and session 1. Unit 1 is the completed, means the communication skills is already completed and we upload in my previous YouTube classes. All of you go through it. And today we are going to discuss about the web applications. Means today's topic is web application. This is for the student of class 10. Web application means to create a designs to apply in the website. And nowadays the web application is the too much required to create any website. Okay. So now today we are going to start the web application class. So first we are going to discuss about the what is web application. A web application is a computer program that utilize web browsers and web technology to perform some special tasks over the internet. Okay, so let's we discuss a web application. You all of you know web means the internet, related of internet. When you use this term of web, then web means the internet. And you all of you know what is the meaning of the application. Application means a systems systems where the user to perform. This is called the applications. Okay, so we merge the web and application. Web is related to internet, right? And application means the user perform. Means a platform where the user is perform. Means a internet is a one platform. There a user to perform using the application, right? So in the case of web application, nowadays suppose you are visiting the website using the internet facilities in all. So this all is possible with the help of web application. So there are the many web applications, many platforms are there where you create a one website or web applications. Like the HTML is the one. Okay, HTML hypertext markup language. This is the one useful. Okay, where you create any website, right? There is the many functions in this HTML. Okay, so in the case of the web means the internet, nowadays you are using the internet facilities, using the websites, using the webs. We communicate to other, we share our ideas, views, opinion, you sending and receiving the file, folder, right? All work is possible with the help of these systems. Okay, in our previous classes, we already learned there are the many types of the web, there are many types of internets, LAN, WAN, MAN, all of you learned in your in the previous classes. And internet, these classes start from, I think it is from the class 6 to 5, right? 5 to 6 the classes. So all of you, I know you remember related of the internet. And the application, the web applications are the like the Google Chrome, okay, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Internet Explorer. You all of you know Internet Explorer because the Internet Explorer is the by default. It is installed in your computer. It is visible on the computer desktop. So all of you know these all are the web applications, right? So with the help of the web applications, nowadays we are communicate to other and you are sharing your ideas and views. So in the web application and the computer programs, using the computer programs that utilize the web browsers. Web browser means I already told Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, Opera, Internet Explorer, these all are the web browser and the web technology to perform the tasks over the internet. Means with the help of the internet, okay? Because without the internet facility, we cannot share our ideas, views, and opinions. And web application is the first gate or first sites. With the help of this web application, we enter in the internet and we access the internet facilities. Next, we are going to discuss about the what are the web application used for. A web application is the program, computer program that allow you to log in to a web address in order to submit and retrieve data from a database over the internet. These programs are developed using the web technologies such as HTML, CSS, JS, etc. and can be accessed using your performed web applications. Okay, so see the what are the web application used for? What is the use of the web application? So before start the class, I already told what is the use of the web application. See, it is visible on the computer screen. What is the use of the web application? In this situation nowadays the web application the too much is required, means the from the morning to up to night, the whole day we are 100% depend on the web applications now, because in this situation COVID-19, in these situations we only and only depend on the internet, because we all the work is complete with the help of the internet, right? So without the internet it not be possible, and you all of your students you also depend on the internet, and when you access the internet you use any web browsers, like see here is a Google Chrome is a web browser. But here is the one question, the technologies, web technologies. The web technologies are the HTML. Very beginning I already told HTML. What is the HTML? HTML is the mother language of the any web applications. Means this is the platforms where you create the any website. In the very first beginning I already told to creating a website with the help of the HTML, means a hypertext markup language. Okay, so hypertext markup language is used to create a website. Okay, so from the beginning I'm going to explain. A web application is a computer programs that allow you to log in to a web addresses in order to submit and receive the data, means with the help of the web application. Okay, with the help of the web application you send any data and you receive the any data. Okay, but you all of you see, you notice one thing, here is a web addresses. So you all of you know what is a web addresses. In the meaning of the web addresses means, very simple example, suppose I am saying, suppose your school web address, otherwise suppose like www dot asansolnorthpointschool.com. Okay, suppose this is the mail address. Okay, otherwise suppose the mail address is the abc at the rate of gmail.com. Okay, this is the website actually, www.asansolnorthpointschool.com. This is the website. When you assign the .com, okay, this is the commercial, it is the website. But suppose your address, suppose your Ram Kumar at the rate of gmail.com. Suppose he is your friend, suppose Ram Kumar. So you want to send any message. So this web address means the HTTML. Here is a hypertext transfer protocol. With the help of this hypertext transfer protocol, you send your address, you send your data in a particular address. Okay, means you assign the date like the .com, .in, .gov. You know, like .gov means, you know, it is the government organization. .com means it is a commercial, you know. .uk means the United Kingdom, and .in means India. Like this it is assigned. This is the URL actually. Okay, uniform resource locator. So this is the web address. Okay, in order to submit and receive the data from the database over the internet, with the help of the internet, you enter the you send the data. These programs are developed, means the programs is, suppose you are using the internet, so this program is developed with the help of using the web technologies. The examples of the web technologies are the HTML is the one web technology, CSS is the one programming language it is, okay, JS, etc. There are the many technologies. With the help of these technologies, you create a web site or you develop the any web page. Okay, and can access, right? Suppose you created one website. Simple, suppose for examples, you created a website. And you created a website using the suppose CSS or HTML, any one platform, suppose you created. But you access, but you access your website with the help of web application. Okay, means with the help of the web application only you access your program. Okay, so again, understood all of you. First one is the HTML is the platforms. With the help of this HTML, you create a programs. Okay, you develop. It is a one technology, and you access means you access your website. Suppose you created one website. Suppose ABC private limited company. Suppose this is the your software. Suppose this is your website. Okay, so you want to access this one. Your programs you must access with the help of only any browser. With the help of browsers, you only access like the Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, Opera, or Internet Explorer, whatever. Okay, so this is the use of web applications. Okay, and you I think you all of you understood what is the web technology, how to access your data, how to access your data with the help of these applications. You use this. Okay, next is that we are going to discuss about the related of the what is the language is used for the web applications. Okay, languages, many languages are there. You all of you understood what is the applications. There are the many applications are there like the HTML, CSS, JS. These all are the one applications. Okay, in the previous slides you already learned how to use it. Okay, and now we are going to discuss about, okay, now we are going to discuss about how to what is the language of the web application. So there is the these are the languages according to the web developer. Java and JavaScript are the most useful language by the Python or C++. Means the C++, Python, Java, these all are the programs, all are the application, or all are the languages you create any website. So now you merge the all the things. Number one is the website you created with the help of the HTML. Means the HTML is the programs, HTML is the software applications where you create your website. Okay, and next you access your website with the help of the any web browser, and the language you use the Java, C++, Python, any one you will use. Okay, next one, we are going to discuss about the what is the benefit of the web application. What is the benefit of the web application? The following some of the benefit of the using the web applications are accessibility across the devices for the user, customized for the different devices, integrations with other systems, maintain the annual deadlines, and you removes increase the flexibility and sensibility, protecting your data using the web-based applications. These all are the benefit of the web applications. Means nowadays, these are the here is only six to five, 4 to 5 benefited, but nowadays we are benefited already, right? And now you are, and next day on you 110% you are use you are depend on the this web application, because without the web applications we cannot do our work, right? And other hand, we are going to discuss about what is the example of the web applications. Okay, so the examples of the web applications in the previous slides we already discussed what is the web applications, the uses of the web applications, languages, okay, and benefited you all already explained. Now we are going to discuss about the web applications, these examples. So nowadays in the every sectors, every platforms, you 110% you depend on the web application. Okay, okay, not a single means the area where you without the web applications we are doing our work. Okay, so web application include the online forms, right? Online the forms is available nowadays. We are admissions, okay, with the help of the online means without the going to schools or colleges or office or these all the facilities there in the online. You download, fill up, okay. So these all the facilities is available inside the web application. Okay, and on the other hand, you see the shopping, right? Shopping, your Amazon, Flipkart. Okay, so this all Snapdeal. This is one more is thing. So with the help of these web applications, okay. So someone to create this Snapdeal, Facebook, they are the these all things, and we entertainment part is also there in the web applications. Okay, forms is also available. Shopping is the online recharge is also the electric bill you pay, your gas booking means the money transaction. This everything is possible with the help of the web applications. So that's why I'm saying with the help of web applications, we without the web applications, the human beings is incomplete. This is the real fact, right? This is the real fact means from the morning up to night with every second, every movement, every actions we perform with the help of the web application, right? So without the web applications we cannot do anything. So on the other hand, let's discuss word process, spreadsheet, video, photo editing, conversion, file scanning, email programs such as the mail, Gmail, Yahoo, AOL, popular application, okay, Google Apps, Microsoft 365. These all are possible with the help of web applications, right? So now see, these all are the examples of the web applications. Okay, now we're transferring the files, we're sending the data with the help of the web applications. Okay, next we are going to discuss about the what is the computer networks. Okay, so what is the computer network? A computer network is an interconnected collection of autonomous computers and the devices to exchange the information to share the resource. Okay, means then the previous classes you already learned what is the computer network, how many types of computer networks. So network means you collection the data. Okay, you collection the data from the somewhere from the any other sources and you share in a particular address. Okay, so this is the computer networks. So this is the with the help of this network, we share our ideas, views, and opinions in all. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about the what is the network architectures. Here is the some important thing. P2P means the peer-to-peer means the network in which all the computers have the equal status are the called to peer-to-peer networks, and each computers can act as a server as well as the client. Okay, so let's discuss about the peer-to-peer means P2P means what is the P2P means the very simple examples I'm going to discuss about the first one topic peer-to-peer means the peer-to-peer means all of you know visited the banks and railway station and airports. Okay, for example, suppose bank, you all of you visit the banks, you all of you notice there are many counters are there. Like suppose you deposit the money. Okay, suppose you whatever the amounts you suppose the deposit, you deposit the in the one counter and you update your passbook in the other counter, right? Because the in the special respectable work is to done in the their respectable means the counter. Okay, means that if their operation is there the different system. In the first counter you deposit the money, second counter you withdraw the money. Okay, and the other counter you update your passbooks, means you deposit the money in the one counter but you update, otherwise you receive your means the your amount with the help of this peer-to-peer, means your systems, there is a system, some people are working there inside the bank. So these all computer is connected to peer-to-peer, means this the data is interconnected to each another. Okay, when you deposit the money and then withdraw the money to other counter, because it is peer-to-peer connected, means here is the one server and the rest all the computers is the client, and when the server access any information, it is transfer on the rest all clients. Okay, next you see the client server. In this network there are the specified computer that share the data. I already told, means that you access the data, and after means the server is collect the information, and after finish, after collecting the data is share the all the data and information to their clients. Okay, so software and the hardware, here is the some hardware, hardware is also required, software devices is also required, right? So for examples, here is a printer, modem, these all are the okay hardware and software, hardware devices. Okay, and other computer that can be request for the server from the server to is called the clients. Next, you see what is the internet. Okay, what is the internet? Internet is stand for interconnected network. This is the full form of the internet. What is the interconnected? In the case of the internet, okay, in the internet means the interconnected. And why we interconnected? We interconnected because we share our files. Okay, so share of files, you receive the files, okay, you transfer the data, you receive the data. Okay, this is possible with the help of the interconnected. If you're not interconnected, then you are not eligible to share or receive the data or information. And next you see here is the www, because all of you learn in the www in the very when the class use learning from the class 4 to 5. See the stand for the www, world wide web, world wide web, because world wide web means the internet is provide the information in the world base. Okay, next you see the what is a web browsers. Okay, what is the web browser? Very beginning when I start the class, I already explained what is the web browser. There are many types of the web browser like the Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, Opera. These all are the web browsers. Okay, so web browser is the application. With the help of these applications, first of all, using any application, you access the internet facilities. And see here is here is the many web browsers are there like the internet, Google Chrome. I already told you, go through it. Okay, and see, next is we are going to discuss about the what is web browser and their examples. Here the web browser, see it is there, the examples is also there. All of you go through it. Okay, and here you see the five examples of the popular web browsers, right? The Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, okay, and the Google Chrome. It is very fast and you easily install in your computer, okay, in your mobiles, because it is a freely you install. Okay, next we are going to discuss, and you see here is the in these slides I show you there are the many types of the web browser. You see these all are the this is the Google Chrome, this is the Opera. Okay, so these all are the web browser. You use any one, no issue. Okay, and see here is the which is the internet browser examples. See the examples are there as per your requirement. You use any web browsers. Okay, so table 1, the web browser Internet Explorer is available on the most computer that run the Microsoft Windows, the operating system, most commonly called the PC. Okay, and Safari is available in the computer that run the Apple operating systems. Okay, these all are the one type of web browsers. See, these all are the types of the web browsers, web browser types: Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla, Safari, Opera, Linux. Okay, these all are the web browsers. Next is which is the first web browsers? You know, all of you, which is the first web browser? It is very knowledgeable and valuable questions. Which is the first web browser? The World Wide Web, the first web browser, the browser editor rather was called the World Wide Web, as after all, when it was written in 1990, it was only way to see the web. Okay, matter to later there was a rename. Okay, next, in order to save the confusions between the programs and the abstract the information space, which is now it is called the World Wide Web with space. Okay, this is the first web browsers. Okay, so now web browsers related of the web applications, we now today we have already discussed, and I hope you all of you understood, and you all of you go through your book. Okay, okay, all of you take care and bye. Thank you all of you.